Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be doing Origami flexagon. This is a fun to play model and simple origami using only one sheet of paper. There is no glue used in this model. You can create two such models in one square sheet of paper. Two origami sheets can be joined to create this size model. But for the bigger size, we have to put little bit of cellophane tape over here for the smooth rotation. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be cutting into half. I'll be using this rectangle piece of paper to create one model. Fold the paper into half horizontally. Make a crease and open the flap. Bring these two sides to the center crease. Fold the paper into half. Open the paper and bring these two sides to the center crease. Now we can see 4 boxes on this model. Then fold in the center of the squares as demonstrated. We need all the valley folds, so here you can see one mountain fold. Let's convert this into valley fold. Now fold like this and create a diamond shape over here. Now open the flaps and fold the model into half and now create one more diamond shape over here. Open the flap and now you can see cross marks on all the rectangles. On this side we need all the valley folds, so convert the mountain folds into valley folds by doing this. Make the creases sharp, it will help you in easily collapsing the model. Now we have converted all the folds into valley folds. Tuck in the flap as demonstrated. Now we can see a equilateral triangle here, and if you go along with these vertical crease lines, you can see a hexagon. Then fold in these three triangles. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Then carefully press down these three corners of the triangle. It will look like this. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now you will be able to rotate the flexagon. Push down these three corners inside and then rotate clockwise slightly. Then repeat the step. For the first 1 or 2 times it will be slightly harder, then it will be flexible. Origami flexagon is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Fold these flexagons using different pattern paper and enjoy playing with it. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.